I'm your type, I know that this is what you like. On the Instagram, I see all the likes. I'm your type, I know that this is what you like. I'm your type, I know that this is what you like.
Tell me how you want it, yeah. Call me and I'm on my way. Tell me that you need me, yeah. I'm talking about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Fucking the shit out you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute. Calm down. I know y'all miss me. I am back and I'm better than ever, and I'm truly better than I was before. I had to take a little break, a little woosah, get myself together, and I am back with making videos, new content, and I'm so excited for this video today because, as you guys can tell from the title below, this is going to be my first pack with me. I'm going to Denver, Colorado. I've never been to Denver. This is going to be my first time traveling by myself. I've never traveled by myself before. I've always traveled with like my family. Like, I get to do like what I want to do. You know when you go out of town and you really can't do what you want to do because you're with your parents, like your mom or your dad, so you kind of have to do what they want to do. But this time I get to do what I want to do. So I'm excited. I'm so like ready to like get out of Chicago for a couple of days and just be somewhere different. Y'all know traveling is like something that I've been wanting to do, and I'm finally doing it. So right now it's like 8:24 and it's Thursday night. We leave tomorrow on Friday, and I think our flight is like at 10 something. It's around like 10. So, and then we land around like noonish in Denver. So I'm really excited. We got a house. Like, I'm like, this is the perfect opportunity to vlog. I miss vlogging. I miss just being on camera and filming. And even though I feel a little awkward talking to the camera, I know like as I keep doing it, it'll feel like how I used to feel like back when I was vlogging consistently. But I don't even know like how to do a pack with me, honestly. I don't know if I'm supposed to be showing y'all the clothes. I feel like y'all are gonna see them when I'm getting dressed in them in Denver. So let's just start with like the hair and the face. Let's start with that stuff first. This hair, man, I need to wash my hair. So I'm gonna pack my facial wash. This is the vitamin C facial wash. This is the one that I've been using, and it's face soap and clarity 3-in-1 daily detox vitamin C facial wash. I got this from Target, and I really like this facial wash. It does a great job of keeping my skin clear, smooth, and soft. So I really like this. So this is going with me. I'm gonna put this in. I should just show y'all the suitcase that I got. Let me show y'all the suitcase. I got this suitcase from Kohl's. I think it was like $100. It was a 5-piece set. So I got like a small one, a duffel bag. I got this little bag, and I think that was it. And then of course this big boy right here. And this is my first piece of luggage. So I'm sure as I keep traveling, I'll upgrade eventually. But for now, we got this one, and I like it for what it's worth. So it looks like that on the inside. It just has like this little compartment here, and then this is like really deep in here, so I can put my shoes, my sweaters, my jackets, my whatever in here, and everything will fit. So I already packed some of my stuff, well, all of my stuff basically. So for my hair, I'm gonna be taking the Moroccan Curly Perfection Defining Cream. I love this stuff. I cannot wait to start doing hair tutorials again because I really do miss, will this focus? I can't wait to start doing hair routines again because I really did miss like doing those. So I'm gonna be taking this. I'm also gonna be taking this ORS olive oil smooth and hold pudding infused with coconut oil. I like this stuff a lot, so this is definitely coming on the trip with me. And then I'm also going to take my curl defining butter from Carol's Daughter. I love this stuff a lot. So those are the 3 hair products that I'm gonna be taking. I got the mini Listerine. I got me some Vaseline just in case, like if I get ashy or my lips get dry. This is a lifesaver. And then I'm gonna take this Curls Passion Fruit Curl Control Paste. Y'all know I love this stuff and it lasts a really long time. Y'all know I've had this for a while and I still have so much left. So if y'all have not tried this to, you know, keep this in order, try it. And then I'm also gonna take my Carol's Daughter Mimosa Hair Honey. And I really like this. It makes my hair feel soft and it smells really, really good. I love all of Carol's Daughter. I love all of her products. Like, they bomb, okay? Her products are bomb. And this is like the little travel size. But it smells really good. It smells really, really good. And I like for my hair to smell good. And then I got the travel size toothbrush. And I got a toothpaste just in case. Because we are going to be staying at an Airbnb, not a hotel. So I need to be prepared. And then I'm going to bring my African 100% shea butter to moisturize my body while I'm out there. And then I have other ones of these. This is Polo Red. These are colognes. So this is Polo Red and it smells really, really clean, really, really fresh. Yeah, it smells good. I want to smell nice while I'm out there. And then this is Michael Kors. It just smells so scrumptious. So I'm gonna take these 2. I have other ones in my carry-on, but I'm gonna carry these along with me. So I'm putting all of that stuff that I just showed y'all in here. And then I'm also going to take some deodorant. I use the Men Degree 48 hour. This is the sport one. They have like the other ones. I've used those too, but I just ended up getting this one this time. I like to switch them up every time I get deodorant and just try them all. And then I got a loofah so I can wash my body while I'm in Denver. Okay? I don't know how I'm supposed to show y'all what I'm packing, so hold on. Let's get an angle, shall we? Let's get an angle. Okay, so I need to listen to music because I can't just sit here in silence. I can't sit here in silence. Like, I need some music. Okay, so I have everything that I'm going to be taking to Denver packed. So now I need to, what do I need to do? I need to, pack my carry-on, what I'm going to take for my carry-on. So yes, let's do that next. Okay, so now that we have the suitcase packed and ready to go, I'm so excited. We are getting so much closer to finishing and being done packing. Okay, so now this is my carry-on. A backpack. I'll show y'all what it looks like. Just looks like that. I got this backpack from, I think, Zara. Yeah, this is from Zara. It has even like the little stitching, Zara stitching in here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but like this part is like Zara. So yeah, I got this clear backpack from Zara and I really, really like it a lot. I'm trying to get a thumbnail. So yeah, I got this clear backpack from Zara and this is going to be my carry-on. So let's pack it. Let's pack the carry-on. So I'm gonna take my favorite smells. This one is Midnight in Paris. I really love this one. It smells just like clean and fresh and I love that smell. And then this one is called Smell Me and it just smells like, I don't know, just like money. Like you just smell rich. And that's what I want to smell like. I want to smell like money. So these two when I'm walking past people, people always say like, you smell so good. So yeah, these two are definitely going on my carry-on. Who's calling me? I'm filming a video. I'm trying to film.
Hold up, let me guess you out for a second. My friend cute. My friend cute. My dad.
Hey, where are you at? Oh, you at home?
I just came from the gym.
I'm packing. Look.
Finally, it's okay.
Did I show you my carry-on? Look.
That's cute.
Super nice, isn't it?
Yes.
Clear. I love it.
Where'd you get that from?
Zara, I'm filming. Look.
So what? Oh,
Are you gonna watch me?
don't play me. You know I do.
Huh?
So don't play me. You know I do.
Sorry about that. I'm also going to be taking my Super Goop. This is the Glow Stick Sunscreen SPF of 50. I love this stuff a lot. It just makes my skin like glow, and then it keeps it really smooth and soft. So I'm definitely taking this on my carry-on because I don't want to lose it because it is tiny and it is small, and I need it. The next thing I'm taking, of course, are my AirPods. If you don't have a pair of AirPods, you need to invest and you need to get you some AirPods because I feel like they are like an Apple necessity. They are a little pricey, but I feel like they're worth it. So these definitely are coming with me because I need my music. I need my music. My little, what is this, like charging cable thing. I got Carmax and then I got this like lip balm type of thing. These two are both coming. Some Tylenol just in case if I get a headache on the plane. I need to have some type of relief on the plane. So I'm gonna take Tylenol. I'm gonna take this book. I've gotten through like half of it. I haven't read the entire thing, but this book is called You Are a Badass: How to Stop Doubting Your Greatness and Start Living an Awesome Life. So I've read like half of it so far, but I want to finish it. So I'm going to take this book and get some reading done on the plane. I'm also going to take my Bible because I am a little nervous because this is like my first flight alone without like my family. So I'm a little nervous. I can't lie. I just want everything to go well, to go smooth. I want us to get there safely and I want us to come back home safely. So I'm definitely going to read a scripture before we fly off into the sky because I think the flight is like 3 hours, 3 or 4 hours. So yeah, I'm a little nervous. So I'm gonna take my Bible that my grandfather gave me, taking this. I'm also going to take this blanket that I got from my best friend. It's just like this on this side and then it's fluffy on the other side. I get cold, so I'm definitely gonna be taking this just in case. So this is my little carry-on blanket. And then I don't know if I should take my Gucci bag. I got a Gucci bag,
Johnny,
but I don't know if I should take it. Okay. So I got the bag. So I bought this bag in January, like a couple days after Christmas, because this was something that I really wanted and I knew no one else was gonna buy it for me, so I bought it for myself. And it was something that I had been wanting for months, so I saved my money and I purchased my first designer luxury bag. This is the first of many. I do like nice things and I work very hard, so I treated myself because I wanted to. So it came in this bag, this big Gucci bag. If you guys have ever shopped at Gucci, you know what it looks like. So, and then it just comes in this Gucci box. I got a GG Supreme messenger bag and it comes in this box. And then it comes in a little duster Gucci bag type of thing. So this is the bag that I got. Like I said, it is the GG Supreme Messenger bag, and I really, really love it because I wear it like this. Like, you know, like this is how I would wear it. Just like on the shoulder like this. I love my Gucci bag. If you guys want me to do like a what's in my bag type of video, let me know down in the comments because I would love to do a video like that. But yeah, I love this bag. Yeah, and anybody that tries to comment and says that my bag is fake, just know that my bag is not fake. If you think my bag is fake, you're fake. Now that we have all of that, now I need to find me an airport outfit, which is gotta be fly. Like, I gotta be fly for the airport, you know? I gotta be fly for the airport. Yeah. So there obviously will be vlogs. So be on the lookout for vlogs of me in Denver because they're gonna be lit. This is gonna be the beginning to travel vlogs. This is gonna be my first one though. So the first travel vlog is to Denver. I've never been to Denver. I've never had a reason to go to Denver. And initially I wasn't gonna go because I had so many other things going on in my life. But my friends and my family convinced me. They were just like, you need to go. You've been going through so much. You need to go. You need a break. All you do is work. And I'm just like, you know what? I need a break. I need some time to have fun, to be young, and to just be free. Yeah, I don't know what else to say to y'all other than I love y'all so much. Thank y'all for watching this video. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment and tell me how much you've missed me and how much you can't wait to see like more videos from me. And I just thank each and every one of y'all for like staying subscribed. For the new people who are still subscribing, which is crazy because I'm just like, how are people still subscribing and I haven't been posting no videos? But hey, I'm not complaining. Also, make sure that you guys are following me on my social media. So like Instagram, follow me on Instagram because I'm pretty sure Instagram, y'all will see it way before you see it on YouTube. So follow me on my Instagram, follow me on Snapchat, and follow me on Twitter. Yeah, like how I said, so I thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like if you want. I know I haven't been consistent. I'm not even gonna tell you guys to subscribe. Y'all probably have lost faith in me. So I'm not even gonna tell y'all to subscribe. I'm gonna prove to y'all like I can be consistent. So the next time I see you guys, it will be in Denver. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.
I spent my whole life thinking out the box. Boxing homies 3-on-1, got DP, but I ain't dropped. Chirp on me, here I come. Spin around the block, they blurred on me. Said I ran a stop sign, but that's a lie. I spent my whole life staring at the stage, playing Sega, daddy smoking Sherm, mama playing spades, catching vapors. Grandma said I get some Jordans for my grades, that's my baby. When she died, my heart broke 100 ways.